Are you searching for the best metal lathe? In this video, we will look at the 5 best metal lathe, which save you time and money. Number 1. VEVOR Metal Lathe Machine, Multi-Size Mini Metal Lathe, Wide Application. This mini metal lathe is ideal for various processing tasks including turning, drilling, threading and cutting. Supportive protective, steady rest works as an end support, ensuring chatter-free operation. Follow rest is used for turning operations on long, slender workpieces. Backsplash guard included, variable speed design, large swing range, professional compound rest, supportive protective, accurate tailstock.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. ZR Mini Micro Mechanical Metal Lathe Machine. ZR Mini Micro Mechanical Metal Lathe Machine tools with base for carpentry in wood, soft metal, plexiglass, plastic, etc.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. VEVOR 800W Brushless Mini Metal Lathe Machine. Features details, direct drive motor. The mini metal lathe machine adopts a direct drive motor, no belt drive, and no need to replace the belt. 800W brushless motor that provides more power and avoids the need for brush replacements, saving time and effort. Built to last. The mini metal lathe is built to last with high-quality HT200 cast iron. They come equipped with wear-resistant and strong metal gears and aluminum alloy handwheels, ensuring a longer service life. Continuously variable, features a spindle that can turn in both forward and reverse directions with 150-2500 RPM continuously variable speed range. It also has intelligent electric speed controls and a digital display, allowing for convenient data reading.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. All Mini Metal Lathe Machine, All Metal Miniature Lathe 36W, 20,000 RPM Didactical Mini Metal Lathe Machine Tool for Hobbyist Woodworking Craft.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. LYBGACNC Mini Metal Lathe Machine. Features, variable spindle speed of 50 to 2,500 RPM, all metal gears, shell and handwheel, high precision, able to turn out standard qualified works 1100 W strong power, 400 mm, 15 3/4, distance setter, automatic tool, infinitely variable professional tool post, telescopic sets with scale, wear resistant, durable, accurate and professional.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.